So if you look on here, you got these two little hook things that hook, just like on a suitcase. And this baby opens up. And here's all the stuff inside here. Looks pretty simple. I just pull this out like that. And then there's little knobs here that you can tighten it down with, I do believe. Just like that. Or this one. Same thing. Tighten it down. I think that's pretty much it. All right, so here's our little knobs. And you've got this all hooked up and that just kind of folds in there. This looks like some type of a cover that we can use. It's got some directions. But who needs directions, right? I don't need them. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and get it all open. So I just pull this like that. And there's a bunch of little pieces in there. So we gotta pull all those out of there. There's one here. Set that there. And then we got this, looks like a headrest or something. Yep, and there's little bands on here. They just come out. And we're gonna put this all together, of course. Set that over there. And we got more pieces here. That looks like the head thing.
My gift.
Yep.
I ordered an massage kit.
And this looks like the face thing. All right, let's set that over there. Pulls out, and then you just tighten it down here and here. And then I think we just open it up, just like that. All right, so we've got it there. You just lift her up, like that. I think. Let's see. I believe that's it. All right, let's check it out. It's about 6 feet long. See, 6 feet. Look, that's how tall I am. And it feels pretty sturdy. All right, so anyway, this thing comes with this face deal here. Just pops out. And then it comes with these other two parts here. And I do believe that this, we have to loosen like that. And it slides out. And then you tighten it by going like that. So you can change the direction of it. Let's do it on the other side. Oh, see, both sides loosen when you do that. So now we can take that right here and you can slide it into these little grooves. And then you just kind of smush that down like that. And that sets its face, or its space where it's supposed to be. And then this right here has Velcro here and here. And it just goes on there like that. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Throw that over there. Of course, this isn't too conducive for people who wear glasses, but bam, face goes in there like that, right? That's it. Of course, your glasses, you know, they're not going to work. Right there. All right, that works pretty good. All right, so if you didn't need this, the way you loosen it is you just pop it like that. And there you go. Comes right out. Very simple, right? And then you can store this. And then if you store it like this, then all you gotta do is just pop it that way, and then it holds in there. And that's ready for storage now. You just set it, you know, wherever. Okay, so we've got this. Let's see exactly what these are. I think these are like arms that you put on the side. I'm gonna venture to guess because they have little hooklets in them, just like that. So I believe they go on the side of the, so they go on either side of the head side. So anyway, they just slide into this little holes. Just kind of, see they move like this, right? And so you got to get them into these little holes. Bam, done. That's it. All right, so what is this thing, pray tell? Well, this is your arm supporter once you're laying face down in this contraption right here. Now, I showed you this before. It's hooked up with Velcro, sits like that. This is the loosener and the tightener upper. So I'm just going to put it kind of right about here, and just going to tighten it for a second. Then what I'm going to do to get this thing on, I'm just going to slide it through here and here, just like that. Okay? And then I'm just going to kind of pick it up. I'm going to bring it over here to the holes, right? The holes are right here and here. So I'm going to stick these in those holes. Then I'm going to loosen this a little bit so that I can get it straight. And then I'm going to tighten it. So now I've got it about how I want it, right? I've just got to bring this little strap up. So I'm just going to bring this strap up here, just like this, you see? And all I've got to do is come from behind. I'm going to go through this, grab it, pull it down, and then you see this little buckle here. It's just like any other buckle thing that you probably have on, you know, coats and you know, other things of this nature. And just pull it through like that. And there's your armrest. Bam, done. So here we go. Getting on her. Get my face in there. Arms go in there. Bam. So now I'm very relaxed. I don't have to hold my arms up. And it's very comfortable. Very comfortable. I just need a masseuse now. Shoot. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do your stuff. Peace out.